Oh my God.
Oh, that's a new car altogether.
God, it is. Look at this. Holy crap. That satin is,
I told you that was a great choice.
and the glass pops.
It does.
Holy cow, that looks good. Well, that was definitely worth the wait. Good, this is awesome. Man, this is...
Totally different car.
Yes, it looks like a different car.
Yeah, if you don't want to buy a whole new car, just refresh it.
Refresh it.
It's way cheaper.
So this was the wheel that we repaired. So as you see, it's again
yeah.
whole brand new. And then the great thing is afterwards we ceramic coated it too. So now it's protected.
It's protected.
Yep.
Okay.
The front, you remember that you had an abrasive
Yeah,
down
right
here.
there.
So this, all the black accents were covered with the black paint protection film.
Which
So,
is perfect.
Yes, and it came out phenomenal. But yeah, this is all one piece with the black paint protection film. So now, this time, if something was to fly up and hit it, it won't tear through it like it would with vinyl. Side view mirrors. So
yeah,
yes.
that was a challenge.
that was. So as anyone that has used or worked with paint protection film, they would know that paint protection film has is applied differently, totally different, total opposite of vinyl. Vinyl is dry applied. Paint protection film is wet applied. And as I stated earlier before, because paint protection film is 3 times thicker in most cases, sometimes 4, because now XPEL has a 10 mil film now.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's getting thicker and thicker. So the downside to a thicker film is that you're not going to be able to contour or wrap corners and so forth like a vinyl would. So if you're looking at a full color change and you don't want any seepage of the old color, then vinyl will be the way to go. Now, a lot of people will say, well, that means my car still won't be protected. So what we did is we vinyl wrapped your side view mirrors. That's because there was a lot of contours, there was a lot of angles to go ahead and to overcome. And the paint protection film just would not fit the bill. So we had the side view mirrors wrapped in vinyl, and then afterwards we wrapped the vinyl with paint protection film.
Yeah, with a gloss clear, so
Correct.
it looks like, so it matches the PPF
top,
on the top.
exactly.
There's no way you would know there was any
Correct.
difference.
Correct. So therefore now you're fully protected and so forth. The spoiler was covered too as well.
Okay, good.
And that was covered in gloss. Now the rocker panels. That was a full custom install. So everything was custom. Now the thing is, just to let you know what this all entailed, we used the XPEL DAP program to go ahead and plot out each and every one of these panels. But the thing is that in order for us to avoid and minimize as much gloss seepage through that satin,
Yeah.
I had to go into the software and customize every single panel. So I had to extend the edges. I had to go ahead and make sure that the areas that was not going to give me the sufficient enough coverage, that I went ahead and designed it to do so. So every one of these panels was custom and actually redone on the software before plotted and then applied to the actual car. The rocker panel, since there's the 2 pieces, we went ahead and I custom did the insert of that rocker panel in black.
Yeah.
And then had to fully trim it down the end and then wrap the outer part of the rocker panel in satin too as well. So that way it gives it that seamless look.
That's awesome though.
Yep.
That really makes that really pops a lot. I love how the roof, man, that roof really looks.
Yep. Emblems, these were removed, of course, so that way we didn't have that surround. So that was removed, and then we put it right back on after we covered it with the satin film.
Okay, sweet.
You ready to go and see it in the sun? All right.